Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I have a e.l.f. makeup haul to share with you guys. I have not done a makeup haul in forever and I have been wanting to try so many different e.l.f. products, and I haven't really tried much of their makeup since they redid their brand, their new and improved e.l.f. So I'm really excited because I got so many different things, and a lot of these things I've seen people use on YouTube or TikTok, and I have been wanting to try it. So I have my box here. So we're just gonna get right into it. I have not looked at anything, I just opened it and that was it. So first, I believe I got this free with my order. It's the Holy Hydration e.l.f. Off Makeup Remover. So I haven't used this before ever, so this is really a good freebie. I love that they give you like things to try with your order. So that was a free item. Now let's see what I got here. These I'm really excited for. Let me group them together. So these are the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. I have not tried much liquid blush or cream blushes, so if you have any tips on how to use it, let me know. This one is in the shade, let's see, Peach Perfect. So that's Peach Perfect right there. And then I got this shade, which is Dusty Rose. I love watching makeup hauls though. Are people still into makeup hauls? Because I haven't done one in forever. So this one is Dusty Rose. So Dusty Rose looks like that. And then I got this shade, which is Suave Mauve. And it looks like that. And the last blush shade I got is in the shade Coral Crush. If I can get it out of here. So this is just like a fun, bright coral shade. It will be perfect for the springtime. So these are all the colors. If you can see them up close, that is what they look like. And I'm really excited to try them. So do you put on a liquid blush before or after your setting powder? Because I have not used any liquid blushes, so it would be helpful to know that. Then I got this. Sorry, my phone is going off and I forgot to put it on silent. But this is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. I've heard good things about this and I'll be excited to try it. So the packaging is super cute. And it looks like that. And let's see what the wand looks like. So it's supposed to be like a curling mascara. So the wand looks like that. So we'll see how that goes. Then let me get these together. I can get it. Okay, these are e.l.f. lip liners that I got. This one is, let's see, does it say the name on them? I'll have to open it to see the name. So I got this lip liner in Cream Glide Lip Liner, and it does not say the name for some reason. I don't know why, but let's see. Does it say it on here? Mauveicide. So Mauveicide I got. Or maybe they didn't spell this right. Maybe it's Warm Rose Mauve shade. So that is the lip liner I got. And then this one is in Pinky Swear. If I can get it out of here, that would be nice. So Pinky Swear. I'll show them next to each other. This one is in Truth or Bare. So Truth or Bare, I got mostly nude lip liner shades because I do not have many lip liners. So these are the shades that I got. So those will be really nice. And let's see what else I got here. Oh, this is something I'm excited for. It's the e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm, and this should be in the vanilla scent. So it looks like that. It's in vanilla frosting. So I love anything vanilla. So it's like a cute little lip balm. How adorable is that? Then I got the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is the hydrating one, I believe. Or maybe it's just a normal one. I don't remember which one this is, but it looks like this. Full coverage, matte finish. I don't know if it's the hydrating one or not, but either way, I'm excited to try it. Then I got this, which is the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating CC Cream. Now, I've never tried the original CC Cream, so I really won't be able to compare it, but maybe I will buy it in the future. I don't know which one is better, but we're going to eventually use this. So this is this is what it looks like, and the color I got is Fair 120 Neutral. So that seems like a really good shade for me, and I'm very eager to try that. Then, oh, that's a sample. I'll save that for later. Then I got the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. I've heard so many amazing things about this primer, and I'm very excited to try it. It's supposed to be like a gripping primer. And it looks like this. So that is what it looks like. And let me know if you have tried any of these products, because I'm really excited. And then I got, what is this? The e.l.f. Halo Setting Powder. So this is supposed to be like, it's not a matte finish setting powder. It's supposed to be like a little bit glowy, I think. So I got the shade, it's like the lightest one. It's the pink one, I believe, light pink. So it comes in a really nice packaging like that, and that is the product inside. So I have makeup everywhere. Then I got the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, which I've had before in the past, and I really do love this sponge. It works really well, and it's only like $5, $6. Really good sponge. Then I got these, which I've heard such amazing things about. These are the e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen, and they're supposed to be like the Tarte ones. I've never tried the Tarte ones, but I got the shade, what is this? This is just Peachy. I got like all the shades that I would probably use. So this one is just Peachy, and it's like this inside. I'm not going to try them yet because I might do like a separate video on it, but this is the Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen, and this one is in just Peachy. Then I got this one in Pinky Out. So I'll open this. So this one is in Pinky Out, which looks like that. Then I got this one, which is called Toasted. Toasted. I can get this stuck off of me. Toasted looks like that. And then I got this one, which is Read My Mind. Like R-E-D, Read My Mind. It's a cute name. So So this is Read My Mind, and it looks like that. That will be super pretty. So this is what the actual like color differences look like. So I'm super excited to try these. Then let's see what else I got here. I got the e.l.f. H2O Proof Inkwell Eyeliner. So a lot of people say these are underrated, but I was reading so many good reviews on these. This one is in Sugar Plum, which is a purple color, like a, I guess like a darker purple, like a more wearable purple. It's not like super bright or anything. So let's see how that is. So they look like this, and then it looks like that. I'm actually going to just swatch this. So that's a nice, like, beautiful, wearable purple. And that would be nice, like, for a different type of color. And this one I got is called Navy Baby. And I love, like, navy liner instead of, like, black sometimes. I just think it's cool to change up your liners some days, depending on the day. So this is the navy one. We're going to swatch that one as well. Oh, that one's super pretty. So those are the two of them. Then I have more little deluxe samples. This one is the e.l.f. Skin Moisturizer. And this one is the Holy Hydration Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. And I have some other products that are in bubble wrap, so I have to open them real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I got everything out of the bubble wrap. What I do have to say about e.l.f. is they package everything so well and their shipping is so fast. So I love that. So I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and it looks like this. And I got the shade Zero Fair. So if you can see that up close, I don't know if you can see it, but that is the shade. And I've seen so many people use that, so really excited to try that. So I got eyeshadows. So this is the Perfect 10 eyeshadow Everyday Smoky. And then this one is the Perfect 10 Need It Nude. Then I got some bite-sized shadows. This one is in Pumpkin Pie. This one is in Berry Bad. This one is in Carnival Candy, which is all matte. And this one is in I Love You a Latte, which is also all matte. So my eyeshadow today is actually e.l.f. because I have been obsessed with these ones. This one is in Cream and Sugar. And then I used a little bit of the truffle one, but they're really good for being drugstore eyeshadows. So that is everything that I have to share with you in this video. I would do like swatches of the eyeshadows and the blushes, but maybe I'll save that for a different video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this e.l.f. haul. Let me know your favorite e.l.f. products. If you've tried anything in this haul, let me know. Or if there's anything you think I should try in the future, please don't be scared. Leave a comment or send me a message on Instagram because I'm really excited about all these e.l.f. products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everyone!